vas lepo pozdravil v projektni sobi SPCA, kjer imamo med drugim arhiv postaja Diva, arhiv videa, novomedijske, vse bolj tudi filmske umetnosti. V gostih imamo v okviru Fake-Off programa, mednarodnega festivala kratkega filma, dve kolegici iz Zagreba, iz Klub Vizije, Anita Budimir in Elo Kovačevič. Dobrodošli. Jaz sem zelo vesel, da zdaj lahko mi gostimo vas, ker lani smo bili pa mi na obisku v prostorih Klub Vizije, kjer smo pripravili program kodirani iz našega arhiva. Zdaj tokrat smo povabili Anito in Elo, da sta same pripravile in sta se odločile, da boste pripravile izbor 60-milimetrskih filmov, zelo so to digitalizirani, tako da boste videli, kakšno produkcijo imajo. Več o tem boste povedali sami.
Yeah, so hello and thank you for coming, and thank you, Festival Short Film, for inviting us. Yeah, my name is Ayla, and this is Anita, and we've been members of Klub Vizija for a very long time. And we've come here to show you a selection of 60mm films that were done in Klub Vizija during the last 5 years. Klub Vizija is a film lab based in Zagreb that exists since 2009. And we are the only film lab in Croatia and in region that works with Super 8 and 60mm film. What does that mean? That means that we are giving workshops, we are organizing projections, exhibitions, and concerts, expanding cinema, all with the aim to promote and preserve analog filmmaking practices.
The program which you are about to see is called Silver Highlights. We called it that way because silver highlights are actually the main compound in the emulsion of the film strip, which is responsible for the making of the image. Four films that you're about to see I selected because I think it's a pretty interesting and broad experience of what you can do with just 60mm film. They're all the same format, same technique, same way of developing them. As you will see, the program starts pretty meditative.